Do you like insects?
Um, Sir, actually, I like few insects, uh, but that insects I like, they are very rare, like a beetle, a mountain bee. I don't know the exact name of that beetle, but I like a particular species of beetle, and I don't like cockroaches,
I
and
don't like. I don't
I
like.
don't like that cockroaches and mosquitoes, and, and also I like bees.
Bees? Okay. Good. Good try. Good try. Do you think insects are useful?
Yeah, sir. Though insects are very useful because some of them are uh, e- uh, so important for our ecosystem,
Yes, you're right.
because they eat that some harmful microorganism,
Yes, very
and
good. This is called context specific words. Very good.
uh, they eat, and uh, they make our food to eating.
Uh, yes, they make it edible for us, right?